Hi, thanks for watching my video. My name's Chris, and in this series we're going to look at various compact key machines made by Ilco, Speedex, and Micrometric Precision. In today's video, we're going to show you how to replace the belt on a Speedex Model 9120 compact key machine. Stay with me. To get started replacing the belt, the first thing we want to do is unplug the power. I'm going to start by removing the brush, and I've got a wrench on the flats of the shaft. I'm going to remove this nut holding the brush on. So I broke that free. We'll remove the brush very easily. Take the wrench off the flats of the shaft, and then using a 5/32 inch wrench, I'm going to remove the screw that holds the bottom part of the plastic shield in place. And then we'll remove the top screw. Now we can remove the shield. I'm going to gently slide this over the pulley and get this bracket to slide over. You can remove that, but it comes off pretty easily by keeping it on. So I'll just set that aside. Now we've got the pulleys exposed and the belt exposed. I'm just going to remove the old belt. Take that off. And here I've got a replacement belt for this Speedex 9120. These replacement belts are available on my website at www.gerberdesigns.com. I can see that my old belt, it was stretched a little bit, but actually not too bad. Probably didn't need to be replaced quite yet, but for the sake of this video, we'll just replace that. We're going to take the new belt, put it on the large pulley, and then we're going to stretch that over the small pulley. Just like so. Now we're ready to put the shield back on. So we'll slide that back over the pulleys, clear the bracket, get it over the shaft, and then put the top screw back in. I'm just going to finger tighten that for now, and we'll put the bottom screw back in. And we'll tighten that with the 5/32 inch Allen wrench. We'll tighten the top one. Snug that down. Snug the bottom one. We don't want to go too tight because that's just a plastic shield. And before we go any further, I'm just going to power this on and make sure everything's okay. And that looks and sounds good. Now we'll put the wrench back on the flats of the shaft. We'll put the brush back on. And the nut. And we'll tighten that. That should be good. And we'll test it one more time. That looks good. There we have it, the replacement belt on a 9120 RM Speedex compact key machine. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe for my upcoming videos on the compact key machines made by Ilco, Speedex, and Micrometric Precision. Thanks.